We'll guide you through how to make 3D Effects Filmora. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora 15 on your device so you can follow the tutorial smoothly. Then double-click the application to open it. After the program opens, select New Project to create a new project for editing. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to continue. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK to save the settings. Next, click Import. Select the two images that will be used, and click Open to import them into the project. Drag and drop both images into the timeline. Then click the Stock Media menu. After that, drag and drop the sky blue background into the timeline on video 1. Select the first image, then click AI Matting. Enable Chroma key and remove the background from the image. Repeat the same process for the second image as well. Rearrange the clips in the timeline and adjust the duration of each image to 10 seconds per clip. Open the Effects menu, then search for 3D Effect in the search box. As an example, drag and drop corner pin onto the first clip, then click the effect icon on the clip. Set the upper right value to -250 for the final keyframe first. Then add the starting keyframe with the default value set to 0. Open the image panel, adjust the position again, and enable shadow. You can also adjust the beginning and ending keyframe settings as needed. Next, select Clip 2 and drag and drop Basic 3D onto the clip. Click the small effect icon and add a keyframe with the starting position. Add another keyframe and adjust the rotate setting to 360 degrees. You can also add shadow to Clip 2 and adjust it according to your needs. Make sure clip is placed correctly in the timeline so the animation looks smooth during playback. You can zoom in on the timeline to make adjusting keyframes easier and more accurate. Move the timeline to the beginning of the video, then click the full screen icon. Preview the result, and the 3D effect in Filmora has been successfully created.